pleased with that. I've done a slightly mucky wash, which toned the paler brown down, but it needed a bit of a lift anyway. So a bit of highlighting and just brought a little bit more light to that paler brown, which I think would have been the one that was hand painted occasionally. So I've made that a little scruffier, and I wanted it to be a little bit more worn anyway, and I think there we are. So we'll take that in and enjoy it as it is, because it's all going to go downhill from now. Time to do the aluminium, and then the red and green spaghetti. Hooray! But yeah, nice. That's so far. That's what I want. Done. Well, almost. Well, not really almost, but you know, loads on. Particularly the gorgeous red and black spinner and propellers. That really brings the whole thing out. It's superb. And exhaust pipes, for want of a better word. So that is starting to look like a proper aircraft now, and I'm starting to feel a little bit happier with it. Still need to do another layer of aluminium. It's looking a bit thin. Never mind, that'll be alright. I don't want it looking too silvery. And then I suppose at some point I'm going to have to remember to do the cockpit. So jam the little fella in. I prefer to do him a bit later these days. And then tidy up some wear and tear on the paint. Put the markings on, the final bit of wear and tear. You knew that. But here we are. I suppose what I'm trying to say is suddenly everything's moving on. Let's just have a look at the other side then. Here we go. Industrial sounds once more. Not quite the sound of a hurricane engine.